Hey, how are you doing today? So in this short tutorial, I want to show you how to buy VRA, which is Verasity. As I've covered in this video what is Verasity, as I believe it's a great and powerful coin, which actually have a great usage because they've already having a better technology than YouTube of a proof of view. So now I just want to show you how to buy it in an easy way. So there are a few exchanges which you can buy it at. Today I'll actually show you how to buy it on OKEx, as this is the exchange I'm lately using. By the way, if you want to register, if you don't have an account or OKEx, just go in the description link and just register right now and grab extra perks of trading fees. And also there are some rewards for registering and depositing first crypto. So there's a lot of freebies for you to pick up. So what we'll do, we'll actually want to buy a VRA, and I already put USDT to my account. So when I go to assets, I can already see I've put like $50 just to buy a VRA. If you want to deposit, you'll have to do it to first your funding account and then move it to your trading account. Or you can just buy it directly by crypto here. And you can just use either bank transfer, card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, etc. So there are many options on OKEx to buy it. So what I will do right now, I will use my USDT to buy VRA. So I'll go to markets and I'll search for the VRA USDT. Awesome. I'll have to press now buy. And now what I will do to make it really easy, if you're starting in crypto, this is the easiest way to do it. First, when it probably says for you a limit order, click that and change it to market order. Thanks to it, it will grab it on the market price, which is right now. Then choose how much of your USDT you want to swap to VRA and then press buy VRA. And then you just need to confirm the transaction. And boom, order has been placed. If I'll go to my assets, I can see that immediately in my trading accounts, I have 2,750 VRA. As easy as that. If you want to, fund your accounts, just press buy crypto and from here choose, as I mentioned, different options. They have nice connections with Visa, with Apple Pay, and you can actually, buy a lot of different crypto. So it's really easy to use it. But I just wanted to give you an easy way how to buy this VRA or how to sell it, because if you'll be selling that, you'll go also to markets and then search for this VRA USDT. And instead of buy, just press sell. And remember that important thing to always choose that market order. So thanks to it, it will always sell it on the actual market price. Because if you set a limit, you actually need to set the price by yourself and the price is fluctuating a lot. So it might be a chance you won't sell it or buy it immediately. This is it. I hope you enjoyed that video. This was a really short tutorial, but I wanted to make sure that you have that Verasity and it's easier for you to buy it. Thanks a lot and take care. Bye-bye.